Most AI tools you see right now are built for users. You open them, type something, get an answer. That's it. But Sarvam AI isn't really built for that kind of use. It's built for companies that want to actually run AI inside their business, not just play with it. That's why Sarvam AI is suddenly getting attention. Because here's the reality. A lot of businesses want AI, but they don't just want a chatbot on a website. They want AI answering customers, handling calls, automating support, and working behind the scenes without breaking everything. That's where Sarvam AI comes in. Sarvam AI is basically a platform that lets companies build their own AI assistants and voice systems. Not just text, but actual voice conversations, automation, and real business workflows. The first thing that stands out is voice. This isn't just typing and replying. Businesses can use Sarvam AI to create AI that speaks to customers, answers questions, and handles requests automatically. That alone can save hours of manual work. The second thing is control. Companies can plug this into their own systems. Customer support, apps, internal tools. It's flexible enough to work in real environments, not just demos. And that's the key difference. This isn't about generating content, it's about running operations. Now, real pros and cons. The biggest pro is power. Sarvam AI can help businesses automate communication and reduce workload. If you're dealing with lots of customers, that's a huge advantage. The downside is it's not for everyone. If you're a solo creator or just want help writing content, this isn't the right tool. It's built more for companies and developers. So is Sarvam AI worth it? If you're running a business and want AI handling real tasks, not just answering questions, it's definitely worth looking at. But if you just want a chatbot to help write content, there are simpler tools. Sarvam AI isn't trying to be another AI assistant, it's trying to be the system behind the assistant. Thanks for watching, catch you in the next one.